Hey guys, welcome to another episode of You Got This. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to install Windows 10 if you do not have a CD or DVD player. Remember the good old days where you can pop in a copy of Windows into your DVD drive to upgrade or reinstall your Windows OS? No? You did not miss much. Today, we have devices which run many times faster than CDs or DVD drives that came included with your older computers. Well, how can I install a copy of Windows 10 if I don't have a CD or DVD drive? First, you'll need a computer that already has Microsoft Windows. Probably most preferred would be a Windows 8 or newer. You will also need a flash drive with a size 8 gigs or greater. Microsoft recommends 8 gigs. I personally recommend 16, 32, or 64 because you can use it to store other data that you may use after your install of Windows. Plus, flash drives are very cheap today. Your computer must be connected to the internet for this to work because you will be downloading a Windows 10. You need to believe in yourself. Last but not least, smile and be proud of what you have just achieved. Installing Windows 10 is not free. You'll still need to buy a license from Microsoft. Due to the license that I have purchased, it's for a single computer, so I will be entering the key after this video has been completed. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on with the installation. First off, let's erase all the contents on the flash drive. If the information on this flash drive is important to you, please locate another flash drive or back up the data of this flash drive to another computer, another external hard drive. Now that your flash drive is clean and ready to use, let's go and download the Windows 10 image from Microsoft. The link to Microsoft Windows 10 download is found in the description of this video, or you can simply go to google.com and search up Microsoft Windows 10 download. It should take you to the same site. When your download is complete, launch the application you just downloaded. Let's go ahead and proceed with the setup on your flash drive. section, I would highly recommend you press custom, and in your next window it will ask you about the hard drive you to select. I will actually select all of the hard drive and make sure I press the delete button on every one of them. Next, I will actually select the hard drive with the largest amount of disk and then press next.